Imagine looking down on a lush green valley, where the landscape seems to stretch endlessly, painted in vibrant shades of green. The sun glints off a river that snakes through the rice paddies, creating a shimmering path that guides your eyes through the heart of this serene land. Nestled beside the river is a small village, a hidden gem that seems untouched by the passage of time. Its houses are all built in the same traditional style, with thatched roofs and wooden walls, reflecting a deep respect for heritage and culture. This is Kampung Naga, a community frozen in time where modernity has not yet cast its shadow. Kampung Naga is located in West Java, Indonesia, a region known for its rich cultural history and stunning landscapes. It sits in a fertile valley, surrounded by hills and rice terraces that cascade down the slopes like green waves. The natural beauty of the location is breathtaking, with every corner offering a new vista that captivates the soul. The air is clean and fresh, a rare luxury in today's world, inviting you to take deep breaths and feel rejuvenated. The sounds of nature, like birds singing and the river flowing, fill the air, creating a symphony that soothes the mind and spirit, making you feel at one with the world around you. The villagers of Kampung Naga live in harmony with their environment. They believe that nature is sacred. The people here respect the balance of the natural world. They live simply, using traditional methods to farm and build. The name Kampung Naga has an interesting origin. It does not refer to the mythical dragon-like creature. Instead, it comes from the Sundanese words Nagawir. This means on the cliff or by the steep bank. This name perfectly describes the village's location on the edge of a river valley. The architecture of Kampung Naga is both unique and functional, reflecting a deep connection with nature and the environment. The houses are built on stilts, raising them above the ground, which is a clever adaptation to the local terrain and weather conditions. This elevation protects them from flooding during the rainy season and keeps them cool in the hot tropical climate, ensuring comfort and safety for the inhabitants. The houses are all made from natural materials, which are locally sourced and sustainable, showcasing the villagers' respect for their environment. The walls are woven from bamboo, a material that is both strong and flexible, and the roofs are thatched with dried leaves, providing excellent insulation and protection from the elements. The foundations of the houses are designed to withstand earthquakes, a crucial feature in this seismically active region. Large river stones carefully placed provide a solid base, ensuring stability and durability over time. The lightweight bamboo structures are flexible, allowing them to absorb and dissipate the energy from seismic activity. This flexibility allows the houses to sway during tremors, minimizing damage and protecting the lives of the villagers. This traditional building technique, passed down through generations, has protected the villagers for centuries, preserving their way of life and their cultural heritage. The construction process itself is a communal effort, bringing the villagers together and strengthening their bonds as they work to build and maintain their homes. The result is a vibrant, resilient community that thrives in harmony with its natural surroundings, embodying the true meaning of Naga. Section 4. Architecture of Simplicity. The layout of the houses reflects the cultural values of the community. Each house is divided into 3 sections: the front, the middle, and the back. The front section is for receiving guests. The middle section is the family living space. The back section is used for cooking and storage. This traditional layout emphasizes the importance of community and hospitality in Kampung Naga. Visitors are always welcome. The villagers are happy to share their culture and way of life with outsiders. Section 5. A living culture. Kampung Naga is more than just a collection of beautiful houses. It is a place where history and tradition are woven into the very fabric of daily life. It is a living, breathing community with a rich cultural heritage. The villagers here are not just residents. They are the keepers of ancient customs and practices that have been passed down through generations. The people here have preserved their traditions and beliefs for centuries. They celebrate their heritage through vibrant festivals, traditional dances, and rituals that mark important life events. Visiting Kampung Naga is like stepping back in time. The village has remained largely unchanged, offering a rare glimpse into the past. From its stunning natural setting to its unique architecture and warm hospitality, Kampung Naga is a testament to the resilience and enduring spirit of its people. Kampung Naga offers a glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing. In a world that is constantly changing, this village stands as a reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage. If you ever have the chance to visit West Java, be sure to add this timeless village to your itinerary. You won't be disappointed. The experience will leave you with a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of human history and the beauty of cultural diversity.